Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve this 2x2 Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method, which is pretty easy. So first you want to go ahead and scramble up your cube. So once you've done that, I'm going to be solving the white, so I'm going to find a white piece. So there's one here, just put your fingers on it, maybe here and here. This one, if I bring that up, it'll go beside. I wouldn't bring it down this way then up, because then I'll put it there. That, and then another case behind, just bring it back this way and bring it up. If it's at the bottom, you want to put it under the slot, and then you want to bring the right face down, down face twice, right face back up, down face twice again, front, down, front inverted, and a case. Now, once you've done that, what case you will get is two corners that you get, and you want them facing away. You want to do this algorithm. And you should get all the layers. Now, next case you would have no corners matching, so you just want any face facing you with the white up. You want to do that same algorithm again. Oops. You should get two. On the behind, do the same thing. Since this cube is like so small, it tends to fall out of my hands more. And then now you've got that. Now you want to put this at the bottom like that. One case you could have is this. You want to have like this. One facing you, one facing, doesn't matter what way. Then you want to go like this. If it's on the left side, you want to first bring up this side, but it's on the right. So you want to go do this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, two, and right inverted. You should get it on this side, the facing you again, and there's one on top now. So, if it's facing you, want to bring it on this side first. So you want to do the same algorithm, but the other way. Left inverted, up inverted, left, up inverted, left inverted, left, up inverted two, and left. And next case we have is the same thing, but first we did it this way, but I'm just going to change it to the left, so you do the same thing from the left side, and you get it this side, and then you get that again. Next case we have is this, two on top, two this way. You want the two facing up on the right, two facing to the left, and you want to do this algorithm, the same algorithm that we did before. And now I'll get you this. If you get to this, it's just replace these two corners from up here, and these two facing that way again, and you want one facing, do that same algorithm again. Now it should get you to this thing, so one facing here, that same algorithm, and it should solve. But in my case I actually solved the whole cube, so next case you would have two on the side, both sides actually, and you want to do this algorithm with them facing to the right side and the left side. Do that same algorithm, right, up, right inverted, up, right, up two, right inverted, and then you should get in yellow here, right, do the same thing, right, up, right inverted, up, right, up inverted, up to, like, and I solve the cubes again, but next we have just to solve the whole cube. So if you get the bottom layer, top layer, and this first layer, then you get none of the same colours on this layer. What you want to do, you want to grab the yellow, bring it down this way, the other one that we did to the white before. And there, two, and basically one here, do that again. Hopefully I've memorised these algorithms so I don't have to go slow for you, and you get that. Now what you want to do, you most likely get these, so you want to do this, and then that should solve it. So next we have one with the top layer with 2, so you just want the dot 2 to match with the bottom 2, and want that facing back, and you want to do this algorithm. Right inverted, front, right inverted, back 2, right, front inverted, right inverted, back 2, right 2, and back. Up inverted. And it should solve your, solve your cube. And I don't think I can figure out any more cases. I hope you liked the tutorial, and hope you enjoyed. Don't think there's much else to say, but if this helped you a lot, I hope this helped you a lot. So